Welcome to the Word of Gab podcast. I am Gab, your mid-20s fun tita with a resting bitch face. This podcast is all about adulting lessons and stories in my journey to being a responsible adult while fostering healthy relationships, spreading positivity and confidence, and enjoying coffee. No pressure. You can do anything as you listen to this pod. You can work, do laundry, wash the dishes, or maybe just chill with me while you take a sip from your favorite drink. So, let the stories begin. Hello and welcome back to the Word of Gab podcast. Today we are on lesson 8 of the 12 lessons of 2022. So my 8th lesson would be appreciating small things. Alam mo yung feeling ng bata ka na everything you see is just so amazing. Na parang, oh my God, uod. Oh my God, a leaf is falling down a tree so gracefully. Parang, everything is just so amazing, di ba? And nung bata ka, hindi mo matandaan yung mga days na parang ganito ka mag-isip, dahon lang naman yan. Insekto lang naman yan. Pagkain lang naman yan. Parang hindi ka as neglecting as before. Gets ko na as we grow older, our standards get higher, but we tend to forget to appreciate the small things or even small actions. For example, yung tipong pinauna ka sa pila sa CR kahit sobrang haba kasi nakikita nilang ihing-ihi ka na. Di ba parang ang sarap sa feeling nun? Bukod sa relief na nakakaihi ka na. Pero parang sobrang bait lang nung taong yon to let you go first. Like, give their spot to you. Kasi nga, you need it. Those random acts of kindness would actually make your day. The same way as how random shitty things would ruin your day. So, going back to the nice things, here are some examples wherein I started to appreciate small things. Ngayong year na 'to kasi madalas akong wala sa bahay during the weekends or sometimes I stay with my boyfriend for a week or two depende sa trip namin or sa capacity namin. My mom knows that I love tinola and her kare-kare. Like, my God, sarap ng kare-kare ng nanay ko. Kapag umaalis ako ng matagal, pag-uwi ko, lagi siyang magluluto ng tinola. Sobrang small gesture lang niya, pero mapapansin mo na, they really care about you kasi natandaan niya na favorite food mo yun, na it's my comfort food, kaya parang, alam mo yun, doon mo makakita na people really do listen, they do observe, they do care about you. Another thing is when my boyfriend set an alarm just to remind me of my meds. Kasi I was so bad at taking medicine. Like, hindi ko alam, pero nabubwisit lang talaga ako when I have to routinely do something. I don't do it on time. I tend to set multiple alarms para lang maalala ko, pero I get distracted and I forget to drink my meds. And that was the time when I was drinking pills for my PCOS. So it has to be on time, diba? And it has to be a daily thing. And there are times when I skip a day or two just because I forgot about it. Well, actually, I remember it. I just don't do it right away. So I really appreciate when my boyfriend set an alarm to remind me to drink my meds. And it was amazing. He's amazing. Anywho, ano pa ba yung mga small things that I appreciate lately? Oh yeah, when I started blowing bubbles. Like, sabi ko, kasi nung binibili ko siya, nasa mall ako eh. Sabi ko, ang tagal ko nang hindi nakakapag-blow ng bubbles. And I remember how fun it was when I was younger. Like, I like seeing the bubbles form and when they pop, like the colors na meron dun sa bubbles. Sabi ko, gusto ko nun. Tapos parang, syempre sa umpisa mahihiya ka kasi yung bubbles na binili ko, My Little Pony pa yun. So, sabi ko, kiber, kunwari may pamangkin ako. Pero, in reality, it's just for me. And then, nung ginawa ko siya, sobrang relaxing niya na it actually saved me from feeling burnt out from my work. As in, I did that every afternoon before sunset dito sa roof deck namin. And I forgot how amazing it is to just do simple things and to just admire things I used to admire when I was a kid. It was just an amazing experience for me kasi medyo nandun ako sa place na parang I want something in the next level. Kailangan laging paangat, paangat. But eventually na-realize ko na you will never really feel satisfied with all the progress you've created if you don't appreciate the small things. I have a lot of small things that happened with me. Like I met this girl in Bumble BFF, just to be clear. Bumble BFF and my boyfriend knows about this. And she actually asked me to join her in Comiket on March. So that's one of my big announcements. There's a huge chance that I'll be there. I'll have a booth, and I appreciate her offering that. Kahit hindi kami sobrang close, she just knows that I have art, like I create art, and she just offered that. It was such a nice gesture. So yeah, I think appreciating small things is one of the best lessons that I've learned kasi it gives you that sort of satisfaction and what was the term? Some kind of fulfillment na parang you've come a long way. Like you just appreciate small things, but a lot of big things have been happening to you, but the small things are still there to make you happy. It kind of makes you feel at peace and contented. That's the term. Anyway, that's it for this lesson. I hope you learned a thing or two, and I hope you try to appreciate the little things more. So here's my challenge to you. Try to take a picture of sunsets or sunrise and post it on your stories. And maybe add something or something small that you saw or an act that was done to you or you've done and just share it there. Share it on your stories. And don't forget to tag me, okay? Tag me on Instagram. It's at Word of Gab Podcast. So I will see you again tomorrow. Bye.
Thank you so much for spending your precious time with me, and I want to hear your thoughts, so feel free to message me on Instagram or on Facebook at Word of Gab Podcast. You can follow, like, and share. As always, I want to remind you that when someone tries to dim your light, blind them. See you next time. Bye!